Let's go right to the point on how to install Anaconda. Open your web browser and go to the official Anaconda website, anaconda.com. On the top right, click on Free Download. Click on Skip Registration, scroll down, and you'll see Distribution Installers. Click Download and wait for it to finish, then double-click the installer file. Follow the prompts like I did. Click Next through the setup. Accept the license agreement. Choose installation type. Select installation location. Check Add Anaconda to my path environment variable and register Anaconda as my default Python. Click Install. Wait for installation to complete. Done. Anaconda is now installed and ready. Like and subscribe for more programming guides like this.